So, hello again guys. Ito, napanood ko lang to kanina. It's supposed to be funny, pero hindi ako natawa eh. Like, I'm pretty disgusted at this video. So, papakita ko muna sa inyo it's probably better kung lakihan ko. Nope. The other one. Ayan. Ayan, para makita nyo. In the Barbie world, life is plastic, fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Nakita nyo naman sa video. Nakita nyo naman sa video na batang-bata pa. Batang-bata. Sumasayaw ng ganyan. Kabadingan. In such an early age. Hindi ko alam kung ano nasa isip ng tatay niya, tinuturuan ng kabadingan. Batang-bata pa. Now, I know this is supposed to be funny. Madami silang views eh. I know it's supposed to be a joke. It's supposed to be a comedy. Pero bakit promoted? Bakit glamorize yung kabadingan sa Pilipinas? Dito matagal na ako dito sa US. I grew up here. Dito sa state where I stay, I've never seen anything like this before. Yung batang-bata ka tapos sasayaw ko ng bading. Batang-bata. Hindi ko alam kung ano talaga eh, kung anong nasa isip na itong tatay na to eh. Na pinapasayaw mo, ginagamit mong content yung anak mo para sa kabadingan, para sa views, para kumita ka. You know, I do not understand that. Batang-bata pa. Tapos madami silang video. Madami to. Ito. Papakita ko nga yung pinaka-ano. Ito, pinaka-popular. I'm a Barbie girl in the... Yan oh. Like kadiri. People love that. Ang daming views nito. Pero yung sasayaw ka ng kabadingan, like, man, you're so young. Like, dito nga eh. Dito, alam niyo naman dito, may mga pro LGBT. Tapos yung ibang school tinuturuan nila na pag bata ka, it's okay to be, when you're a boy, it's okay to be a girl. I'm very against that. Very against that. Kaya nga, yung anak ko, batang-bata pa, sinasabihan ko, you are a boy. You are a boy. Tapos lagi kong tinatanong, are you a boy or girl? Of course, sinasabi naman sa akin palagi, I'm a boy. Tapos yung mga gusto niyang laruan is mga truck, transformer. So, okay naman yung mental state niya. Okay naman. Pero, alam nyo, ito, hindi maganda ito eh. Ganyan. Yung batang-bata pa, tapos pinapasayaw nyo ng ganyan. Pag nakita yan dito ng average American, the average American, iisipin yun, may tama sa isip. I mean, tama sa isip. May tama, may wala sa ayos, you know. Wala sa ayos yung pag-iisip na itong tatay na to. Mostly, it will reflect the whole country. I mean, everybody knows na maraming bading sa Pilipinas. Maraming ladyboy dyan. Everybody knows. Everybody knows Thailand too. Maraming ladyboy. Okay? And you wonder, bakit mababa ang tourism sa Pilipinas? You wonder about that. Now, of course, may mga iba-ibang reason bakit mababa, because of fuel, kasi nga yung gera ngayon. Pero, kasi, my point is, pag nakikita ng ganyan, nang pinopromote nyo ang kabadingan ng bata-bata pa, an average American will think, like me, it's disgusting. Dito nga, marami nang na-boycott ng ganyan eh. Especially before Bud Light. Diba? Yung LGBTQ. Bud Light, yung I forgot the name of that person. Bud Light boycott. Oh, Dylan Mulvaney. Okay. Kita natin Ito siya. Yan siya. Okay. Yan siya. Lalaki yan. This person promoted Bud Light. Oh. And you know what happened? Bud Light was boycott. Marami pang example, hindi lang ito. Target already. Target too. Target is a store. Tapos they try to sell clothes pro LGBT and it was boycott too. Yung brand na they try to sell. Tingnan ko nga. Target boycott. Yan. Okay. Controversy erupted when conservative groups boycotted and harassed the retailer over its Pride Month merchandise. So that can be researched if you're interested. Pero it happens here na binoboycott nila yung mga ganyang pangyayari. Which is good naman because it's disgusting. Kaya nga ito like I'm a Barbie girl in the Okay. So my son just came in to say goodnight to me. So pero yun lang naman, like nakita ko yun and man, supposed to be funny but I'm disgusted. Okay. So yun lang naman po. Peace out.